Hello, P4 students! Welcome again to our science class with Ms.Ida, and we are now on Chapter 8, Electric Circuits. Are you ready? Let's get started. But before that, please prepare your science notebook and your pen because you will be answering as we go along the video lesson. For Lesson 1, Simple Circuits, our learning aims are the following. Explain that an electrical device will not work if there is a break in the circuit. Describe how a switch opens and closes a circuit. For our Chapter 2 question, in Stage 3, we'll learn to conduct or construct basic circuits. Remember? So you have to name 3 objects that uses electricity in school. Take your time to answer and write your answers in your notebook. For a thinking cap, if I wonder if a lamp can light up if the wires in the circuit are not connected properly. What do you think, children? What happens if there is a break in the circuit? Electricity travels from a power source such as a cell around the circuit through wires. The electric current flows through the wires around the circuit and back to the cell. If there is a lamp in the circuit that is connected properly, the lamp will light up. Let's check the diagram here. This is a closed circuit, so the basic components of a circuit are the following. We have here a battery or a cell, the wires, a switch, and a lamp. So since this is a closed circuit, the lamp lights up, right? Moving on, if the lamp and wires are not connected properly, the lamp will not light up. There is a break in the circuit and electric current cannot flow around the circuit. Let's check the diagram. So this is what we call an open circuit. See here the gap or the break, children. So of course the lamp will not light up. Moving on, what is a switch? A switch is used to control the flow of electric current in a circuit. It can be used to turn an electric device on or off. See the example here, a torch with a switch. When we turn the switch on, the circuit is closed. There are no breaks in the circuit and electric current can flow through the circuit. The lamp in the torch will light up. See the example here of a closed switch. The switch is closed, so naturally the lamp will light up. When we turn the switch off, the circuit is open. There is a break in the circuit and electric current can flow through the circuit. That's why the lamp in the torch will not light up. So it's clear now for you, children. And for our tech talk, solar-powered lamps use energy from the sun to light up your garden. The cells get energy from sunlight in the daytime. A switch opens the circuit when there is sunlight to change the cells. The switch will close the circuit when there is no sunlight. So the lamps will light up. Are you familiar with these lamps, children? For Lesson B, Brightness of a lamp, our lesson learned. Our learning aim is to explain how changing the number or type of components can make a lamp brighter or dimmer. For our lesson trigger, here is the question. In which of the following circuits will the lamp not light up? Is it number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Take your time to answer, children, and don't forget again to write your answer in your notebook. For a thinking cap, I wonder if anything will change if I add more lamps to a circuit. Let's try to find out. How do changes affect lamps in the circuit? Circuits are made in many ways. The more batteries in a circuit, the brighter the lamps will be. See the example here, children. There are 2 cells, 1 switch, wires, and a bulb. And the more lamps in a circuit, the dimmer the lamps will be. So this is the example. We have here 2 lamps, 1 switch, 1 cell. And for Lesson C, conductors and insulators. We will state that some materials are good electrical conductors and some materials are good electrical insulators. For our lesson 2 question, wires are usually wrapped in plastic. Could we cover the wires with other material? What do you think, children? If so, what would they be? For a thinking cap, I wonder why wires are usually covered in plastic. Electrical conductors are materials that allow electric current to flow through a circuit easily, while electrical insulators are materials that do not allow electric current to flow through a circuit easily. Plastic is a good electrical insulator and protects us from receiving an electric shock, while copper is a good electrical conductor as it allows an electric current to flow through a circuit. Most of our circuits are made from copper. Are you aware of that, children? And here is an activity. Is it a conductor or insulator? So you will place the items under the correct headings, children. So in your notebook, you make two tables, electrical conductor and electrical insulators, and you place the materials in the correct headings. So we have here plastic blocks, wood, metal spoon, nails, glass vase, and metal bowl. So take your time to answer, children, and we will check your answers during the class. And for science at work, electrical engineers design and build many things such as computers, robots, and smartphones. The ideas and inventions of electrical engineers like Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla led to many devices that we use today. And that ends our video lesson for today. See you in our class, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.